A highly detailed cinematic assembly video of a realistic toy sport motorcycle in a clean outdoor workshop surrounded by lush green trees, colorful flowers, and soft morning sunlight. The camera captures every step in ultra-realistic 4K. The motorcycle is assembled one part at a time with smooth close-up shots. First, the metal frame is placed. Next, the front suspension is installed, followed by the rear swing arm, engine, fuel tank, front wheel, rear wheel, chain, exhaust pipe, handlebars, brake levers, mirrors, headlight, tail light, seat, side fairings, decals, and finally all screws are carefully tightened with realistic tools. Each component smoothly snaps into place with precise mechanical movements. Show realistic bolts, nuts, and screws being fixed in detail. The camera rotates around the motorcycle, using macro close-ups, slow-motion shots, and cinematic tracking angles. Soft natural lighting, shallow depth of field, realistic reflections on metal and plastic, highly satisfying assembly sequence, no human face visible, clean professional workshop atmosphere, ultra-detailed textures, photorealistic, 4K, smooth animation, high quality.